Are you dealing with a lot of false positives in your Tenable scans? It can be frustrating when your vulnerability scanning tools report issues that aren't really there. In this video, we'll dive into how to reduce those false positives in Tenable scans so you can get more accurate results and save time. Stick around until the end because we've got a bonus for you. We'll show you how to access Tenable completely for free, plus some exclusive perks. First things first, Tenable scans are incredibly powerful, but they're not perfect. The first thing you can do to reduce false positives is to review and fine-tune your scan configurations. Make sure your scanning policies are accurate and match your network setup. Sometimes scans can be overly broad, capturing things that aren't relevant. You can narrow your scope to specific assets or networks to help minimize unnecessary results. Next, make use of Tenable's built-in exception rules. These allow you to exclude certain devices or vulnerabilities from being reported as false positives. For example, if you know a certain service is harmless, you can create a rule to ignore it in future scans. This not only cuts down on noise, but also gives you a more focused view of what's actually important. The third thing you can do is update your Tenable vulnerability database regularly. Vulnerability detection is always evolving, and if you're running outdated definitions, you're more likely to encounter false positives. By keeping your database up to date, Tenable can more accurately detect real issues versus outdated or irrelevant ones. Now, the fourth thing to consider is the use of custom plugins. Tenable has a wide variety of plugins that help tailor scans for your specific environment. If a vulnerability is being flagged incorrectly, a custom plugin can be created to adjust how Tenable handles that particular vulnerability. This can significantly reduce the number of false positives in your reports. Finally, make sure you're using the correct scanning technique. If you're scanning assets that aren't properly configured for Tenable or have specific firewalls blocking the scan, this can lead to false positives. Proper configuration ensures you're not scanning unreachable or non-compliant systems that only generate false reports. Before we wrap up, remember that you can access Tenable for free through the first link in the description below, where we've secured exclusive bonuses just for you. This could be a game changer in how you handle vulnerability management. In summary, reducing false positives in Tenable scans comes down to fine-tuning your configurations, using exception rules, keeping your vulnerability database fresh, using custom plugins, and ensuring correct scanning techniques. And don't forget, you can start using Tenable with a completely free trial by clicking the first link below. We hope this video has helped you fine-tune your Tenable scans. Be sure to take advantage of that exclusive offer. It's a perfect way to enhance your security scanning without any commitment.